If you've reached the point where you're tired of cleaning and adjusting chains, but you're not ready to wrestle with an 800-pound touring bike, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 5 shaft-drive motorcycles that are surprisingly manageable, comfortable, and reliable for senior riders. These bikes prove that you don't need massive weight to enjoy the convenience of virtually maintenance-free shaft drive. Let's start with number 5. Moto Guzzi V7 Stone. The Moto Guzzi V7 Stone has earned a loyal following among experienced riders for one simple reason. It delivers classic motorcycling without unnecessary complexity. Weighing just under 500 pounds fully fueled, it's one of the lightest shaft-driven motorcycles you can buy today. That lower weight makes a noticeable difference every time you roll it out of the garage, maneuver through a parking lot, or back into a parking space. For many senior riders, confidence at low speeds matters far more than outright horsepower, and the V7 delivers exactly that. Comfort is another area where the V7 shines. The upright seating position keeps pressure off your wrists and shoulders, while the relatively low seat height makes getting both feet on the ground easy for a wide range of riders. The transverse V-twin engine has a unique personality, gently rocking from side to side at idle, something Moto Guzzi enthusiasts actually love. Once underway, the bike feels smooth, relaxed, and perfectly happy cruising country roads or maintaining highway speeds without making the rider feel rushed. Instead of encouraging aggressive riding, it rewards smooth inputs and enjoying the scenery. Reliability has improved tremendously over the years, and routine maintenance is refreshingly straightforward. With shaft drive eliminating chain cleaning and adjustment, owners spend more time riding and less time in the garage. Fuel economy is also excellent, meaning fewer stops and lower operating costs during long weekend rides. If you're looking for a motorcycle that feels timeless without being intimidating, the V7 deserves serious consideration. But if you think this bike is light, wait until you see the machine coming in at number 4. It surprises almost everyone who discovers it. BMW R nineT Pure. BMW's R9T Pure proves that a modern retro motorcycle doesn't have to be heavy to offer premium engineering. Despite carrying BMW's iconic boxer engine and shaft drive system, it remains surprisingly manageable for experienced riders. Thanks to the horizontally opposed cylinders, much of the engine's weight sits low, giving the motorcycle a balanced feel that's immediately noticeable when lifting it off the side stand or navigating slow-speed turns. On paper, it may not look exceptionally light, but once you're riding, it feels considerably lighter than the specifications suggest. The ergonomics are excellent for mature riders who still enjoy a spirited weekend ride. The wide handlebars provide plenty of leverage, the riding position remains upright without being overly relaxed, and the suspension handles imperfect pavement with confidence. The 1,170 cubic centimeter boxer engine delivers strong torque from low RPM, meaning you rarely need to rev the motorcycle aggressively. Instead, effortless acceleration becomes the norm, making highway passing and mountain roads equally enjoyable. It's the kind of bike that rewards experience rather than youthful recklessness. BMW's shaft drive system has long been one of the company's greatest strengths. Without worrying about chain lubrication after every rainy ride or long tour, owners simply ride and enjoy the journey. Build quality is outstanding, and while BMW maintenance isn't always inexpensive, the durability of the drivetrain continues to earn praise from long-term owners. Have you ever ridden a boxer-powered BMW? Let us know in the comments because these bikes definitely create passionate opinions. And speaking of motorcycles that hide their weight exceptionally well, number 3 may be one of Honda's most underrated achievements. Honda NT700V Deauville. Sometimes the best motorcycles are the ones that quietly do everything well, and that's exactly the case with the Honda NT700V Deauville. Often overlooked in North America but beloved across Europe, this middleweight sport tourer combines dependable Honda engineering with one of the easiest riding experiences you'll ever find. Although it's built for touring, the weight is distributed so effectively that many riders are surprised by how manageable it feels during everyday riding. The riding position was practically designed with comfort in mind. A supportive seat, relaxed ergonomics, effective wind protection, and integrated luggage make it an ideal machine for riders who enjoy covering long distances without feeling exhausted afterward. The smooth V-twin engine provides enough power for highway travel while remaining incredibly forgiving for city riding. Everything about the motorcycle encourages relaxed touring instead of chasing speed, which is exactly what many senior riders are looking for after decades on two wheels. As expected from Honda, reliability is exceptional. Many owners report putting well over 100,000 miles on these motorcycles with little more than routine servicing. The shaft drive further reduces maintenance, making ownership refreshingly simple. It's one of those motorcycles that rarely demands attention. It simply starts, runs, and gets you wherever you want to go. If reliability is your highest priority, this Honda is difficult to beat. But our next motorcycle offers even more luxury while remaining surprisingly manageable for its size. BMW R1250 R. The BMW R1250 R is often overshadowed by its adventure bike sibling, the GS, but many experienced riders actually find the Roadster easier to manage. Thanks once again to BMW's Boxer engine design, the center of gravity remains remarkably low. Even though this motorcycle produces well over 130 horsepower, it never feels intimidating when moving around a parking lot or making tight U-turns. That's a combination that many senior riders truly appreciate. Comfort is one of the biggest reasons owners remain loyal to the R series. The upright riding position, comfortable seat, adjustable ergonomics, and available electronic suspension make long rides surprisingly effortless. BMW's shift-cam engine technology delivers smooth, predictable power throughout the rev range, giving riders immediate torque without sudden bursts of acceleration. Whether you're commuting, exploring scenic back roads, or taking a multi-day road trip, the bike feels composed and confidence-inspiring. The shaft drive once again removes one of motorcycling's most repetitive maintenance chores. Add advanced rider aids like cruise control, riding modes, heated grips, and excellent braking performance, and you have a motorcycle that's both modern and remarkably easy to live with. It's a premium machine designed to reduce fatigue rather than increase it. Still, even this outstanding BMW isn't quite the easiest shaft drive motorcycle for senior riders to handle. Our number one pick earns that title through an impressive balance of weight, comfort, and everyday usability. Moto Guzzi V85 TT. Taking the top spot is the Moto Guzzi V85 TT, a motorcycle that has quietly become one of the smartest choices for experienced riders who want versatility without excessive weight. While technically an adventure touring motorcycle, it avoids the bulk of many larger ADV models. The weight is carried low, the chassis feels balanced, and the bike inspires confidence almost immediately, even when riding slowly or maneuvering in parking lots. Many riders are genuinely surprised by how easy it is to lift off the side stand and control at walking speed. The riding position is nearly ideal for senior riders. Wide handlebars provide excellent leverage, the seat offers all-day comfort, and the suspension absorbs rough roads without beating up your back. The air-cooled transverse V-twin delivers smooth, usable torque instead of intimidating horsepower numbers, making the bike enjoyable on everything from winding country roads to cross-country adventures. Add generous fuel range and comfortable wind protection, and you've got a motorcycle that's eager to explore without exhausting its rider. Perhaps the biggest selling point is how stress-free ownership becomes. Moto Guzzi's shaft drive eliminates chain maintenance entirely, while the simple engine layout makes routine servicing surprisingly accessible. Owners consistently praise the V85 TT for combining old-school character with modern reliability, creating a motorcycle that encourages riding instead of wrenching. If you're looking for a shaft-driven motorcycle that's comfortable, confidence-inspiring, and genuinely manageable for experienced riders, the V85 TT deserves to be at the very top of your short list. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 low-maintenance shaft-drive motorcycles that seniors can actually lift. Which one would you park in your garage? Or is there another lightweight shaft-drive motorcycle you think deserved a place on this list? Share your thoughts in the comments. We always enjoy hearing from experienced riders. And if you're searching for more comfortable, reliable motorcycles built for riders over 50, click on the next video appearing on your screen. We've picked another countdown that we think you're going to love, and we'll see you there.